Today, I'm going to spill the beans on how I made over $1 million as a freelancer on Upwork. If you are new to Upwork, it's a bustling marketplace connecting businesses with talented freelancers for various projects. As a top-rated plus freelancer with a 100% job success score, I've navigated the platform since 2015, and I'm here to share my 10 crucial tips that have propelled me to success. So let's dive in. Tip number 1, learn from successful freelancers in your niche. Starting out, check out successful freelancers in your niche on Upwork. Not to copy, but to gather inspiration on how they present themselves. It helped me tremendously when I was trying to find my footing on the platform. Tip number 2, be friendly and approachable. Choose a friendly and approachable tone in your communication. Remember, they are just people on the other side of the screen. Inject personality into your cover letter. Use emoji, light jokes, and positive language to stand out. Tip number 3, offer a diverse range of services. Expand your services. Provide a broader range within your expertise. For instance, as a social media marketer, I offer copywriting, video editing, graphic design, and more. This widens your job application possibilities. Tip 4, apply for a ton of jobs. In the beginning, grind hard. Invest in Canucks and apply for numerous jobs. The more exposure you get, the higher your chances of landing on gigs. I applied around 50 jobs in my first week alone. Tip number 5, apply for jobs suitable for beginners. Apply for jobs that match your skill level. If you are a beginner, target jobs designated for the beginners. Don't waste your Canucks on roles that are out of your league. Tip number 6, start affordable. In the early stages, be competitively priced. Businesses often look for affordability when taking risks on new freelancers. I started at $15 an hour and gradually increased as I gained credibility. Tip number 7, personalize your cover letter. Use the client's name in your cover letters. It adds a personal touch and shows you've taken the time to address them specifically. Personalization goes a long way in making your application stand out. Tip number 8, read and respond to every part of the job post. Carefully read and respond to every aspect of the job post. Address each requirement explicitly. It demonstrates your attention to details and suitability for the role. Tip number 9, inject passion and excitement. Show genuine passion for the client's business in your cover letter. If they run a clean beauty brand and you're passionate about it, express that in your enthusiasm. Compliment their brand and establish a connection. Tip number 10, follow up strategically. Don't be afraid to follow up. If there's a lapse in communication, drop a friendly message expressing your continued interest. It keeps you on their radar and showcases your enthusiasm. And there you have it, my 10 tips to thriving on Upwork. Remember, success on Upwork is achievable even for the beginner. If you had found these tips helpful, then give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you made it to the end, please, in your comment box, write Upwork 2024. This way I will know if you're part of the dedicated crew. Thank you for tuning in. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, be freelantastic and happy freelancing.